Will resetting my phone without losing data affect my apps or settings?
Hello and welcome. Today we'll tackle an important question. Will resetting your phone without losing data affect your apps or settings? This is a common question, especially when you're troubleshooting your phone or considering a reset to enhance its performance.
What does resetting your phone mean?
Resetting your phone essentially means restoring it to the state it was in when you first purchased it. This could be a factory reset, which wipes out all data and settings, or a soft reset, which is more of a restart and does not delete data. In the context of our question, we'll consider a reset that is designed not to lose your personal data.
What happens when you reset your phone without losing data?
When you opt for a reset without losing data, it means you're resetting all settings but not deleting personal data like photos, videos, music, documents, and other files you've saved on your phone. However, it's important to note that although this type of reset doesn't delete personal data, it could still impact your apps and settings.
Will my apps be affected?
In most cases, resetting your phone without losing data will not delete your apps, but it will reset them. This means that all your app settings will be reverted back to their defaults. You might need to log in again into some apps and configure settings as per your preference.
Will my phone's settings be affected?
Yes, a reset that doesn't lose data will still affect your phone's settings. This includes general system settings, network settings, privacy settings, and more. You'll need to go through and set up everything again as per your requirements. So there you have it. Resetting your phone without losing data will indeed impact your apps and settings, but it won't delete your personal files. However, remember that before any kind of reset, it's always a good idea to back up your data just to be on the safe side. I hope this video has been helpful and clarifies your doubts. Thanks for watching.